in the crossfire. It's caught in the. Hello everyone, how are you doing? Welcome to another vlog. It's Thursday today, and then I am out. Just came from work. But then I have to walk this little man. Yes, he's our guest for today. And then, yep, let's go. Come. Yes. So yeah, Lena have an exam. Kids are not home. They're with Molin. So it's my job to take him out for his daily routine. And looks like you hear it. Birds means spring incoming soon. Yeah, beautiful day whole week. Plus degrees during the day. Yesterday was 5, so all the snow is starting to melt, which is a good sign. And beautiful sun. Yeah, and then I think this week we are planning to go to ikea, so thinking of making a vlog about ikea. Alright, so you can see on the road is all ice, and you cannot able to walk with normal shoes. So I have to attach these ice breakers to my shoes so I can walk on this ice. It's Friday today, and this video I'm gonna do an unboxing video. I will show you. Yes, so we have this outdoor fire pit. Really nice and sunny, and a start of a spring, so it would be nice to have that fire pit, sit outside, have a glass of wine, fire, and then even you can do some grill as well on that. So alright, so I'm just gonna open this box. Right, so that came from the box. This is the whole pit, quite solid build, and this is to grill. Okay, so they give us one of the stick as well, and there are 3 legs here, and this is the net, so the fire doesn't come out the small bits, and this is another grill. Alright, let's install this and make it ready, and let's see how it looks. So after almost 30 minutes of my struggle, me and my wife Lena managed to assemble that thing, and let me show you guys. Alright, so here we go. Yes, you put the wood there, and then we have the spare one if we want to grill stuff as well, and that we have a cover. Looks quite nice. Alright, so let's take that outside, and then okay, Jaden wants to show that. Jaden, what's that? So you can grill some sausages and marshmallows with that stick. Nice. We are outside and ready to try our new fire pit. Alright, so that's Lena is setting up some wood. I will take it.
It's so much, like it's heavy. So.
So Lena just came here with a glass of red wine. Thank you. Cheers. Go sit down.
It's so hard.
Family or friend? What do you decide?
It's so hard. I just want to go with you.
That's how we spend life in Sweden, even in winters. Sitting here fireplace. That's all for tonight, and we will see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow I think we're going to ikea, so I will show you how the Swedish ikea look like. Morning everyone.
Hello.
Jaden.
Hello.
Hello Lena.
What's up?
Jaden, why are you ready? Where are you going?
To IKEA.
IKEA. Okay, take a little trip to IKEA, Uppsala,
Ska vi ta?
and
Vill du ha
just
vatten
look
med?
around and most probably eat there
And shop?
and a bit of shopping. We need to get some curtains,
No, curtain rails.
curtain rails. We have the curtains, yeah, up as well, and then explore the IKEA. So we will. Right, so it's 2 levels. We're gonna go on the top level first and then bring all the way, walk around, come down this way. That's the exit. Alright, so this is the entry point of IKEA. We have few things in mind, but we're gonna check out everything new. First, Lena bought some napkins, cost 25 crowns. Alright, there's the sofas. That's the price. You can compare that with Australian, US, Canada. 5,000 for this small. This looks nice. 17,000 for this big. They make like a display rooms for holy living room. Oh, it's a very nice setup. Big bookshelf. We are looking for a bed for my parents when they visit, and Lena found the cheapest bed.
No, I'm just checking.
No, that's smaller than Imsha's.
This is the one I was talking about before.
This is still way much better. They can sleep on that
Yeah,
one.
because this one you can fold in.
I think this is better option.
Mind you, you can buy for a vegan.
Okay. Lena get crazy when she comes to IKEA.
Du tänker sig fart yesterday bara blir.
It will be nice if it starts the bar fridge.
That's nice lights.
Yeah. 8,000. That's really cool chair. I think this is really cool. And Jaden hurt himself while playing. Jaden, show. Oh, but he's happy now. He's strong boy, yeah, Jaden?
Yeah.
We're in the curtain section. I think we need to get these kind of curtains. Okay, we are in the rug section now.
We are in the rug section.
The curtains, we have to pick it from downstairs. I like Persian rugs. It's Lena's favorite section. Fake plants. Plastic. No.
Should we get this yet then?
No, he's gonna kick like a football.
I mean.
We are relaxing. Yes, Jaden?
Vi have to go hylla 37.
And we have to pick up our curtains. But we're testing this outdoor furniture. So the shopping is done. Came from ikea. Now Jaden wants to eat ice cream. And they finished all the ice creams in ikea. But we're gonna go to that store first, Decathlon, and then come back and buy you ice cream. Okay, Jaden? Beautiful day. Good morning, everyone. Sunday today. Forget to end up the vlog yesterday. We came back from ikea. Was so tired. But at night, that's the most amazing thing ever happened to me. That was my one of the wish list. That I gotta watch the northern lights for the first time in my life from our own backyard. So it was quite dark. I couldn't record anything, but I took some pictures and I want to share you with guys. And it was a really amazing feeling to see the northern lights for the first time from our own backyard. So that's all for this week's vlog, and I will see you guys next week. Please share and subscribe. I'll see you in the next vlog. Thank you.